Review of the LG 32LQ63006LA Smart TV, a compact Full HD TV with smart features and AI power. Today, I want to share my detailed review of the LG 32LQ63006LA, a 32-inch Full HD Smart TV released in 2022. LG has a strong reputation for delivering quality TVs that combine good performance with user-friendly features, and this model is no exception. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a compact screen with modern smart capabilities, without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this TV stand out, its pros and cons, and whether it's a good fit for your home entertainment needs. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, the LG 32LQ63006LA has a sleek, minimalistic look. The slim bezels around the screen give it a modern aesthetic, which fits nicely in smaller rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or even a cozy living room corner. The build feels solid and well-made, especially for a TV in the 32-inch range. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, which is important when you're investing in a daily-use appliance. The TV stands on two simple legs that provide good stability on most TV stands or furniture. You also have the option to mount it on a wall thanks to standard VESA mounting compatibility, which is a big plus for those wanting to save space or create a cleaner setup. Display quality, Full HD clarity. The 32-inch LED panel delivers a Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. While this isn't 4K, the Full HD resolution is more than enough for a screen of this size, providing sharp images and clear details. For casual TV watching, streaming, and gaming on a smaller screen, Full HD is still very relevant. The display shows good color reproduction and contrast levels for its class. The picture looks vibrant without oversaturation, and black levels are decent, considering the LED panel technology. Viewing angles are satisfactory, but as with most LED TVs, colors and brightness can shift if you watch from very sharp angles. One of the standout features is LG's 5 Gen 5 processor with AI capabilities. This powerful processor helps enhance picture quality by optimizing sharpness, color, and contrast dynamically based on the content you're watching. You can really notice the difference when watching movies or streaming content. Scenes appear more detailed and natural, with smoother motion handling. Smart features and user interface. LG's WebOS powers the smart experience on this TV. The interface is intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate even for users who are new to smart TVs. Accessing apps, settings, and streaming platforms is quick and responsive thanks to the 5 Gen 5 processor, which keeps the system smooth and lag-free. The LG 32LQ63006LA comes with pre-installed popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. Thanks to the App Store, you can also download additional apps or games according to your preferences. One nice touch is the voice control functionality. Using the built-in microphone in the remote, you can interact with LG's ThinQ AI Assistant or even connect with Google Assistant and Alexa for a hands-free experience. Whether it's changing channels, searching for shows, or controlling smart home devices, voice commands work well and feel quite natural. Audio performance. For a TV of this size, the audio output is satisfactory but not extraordinary. The built-in speakers provide clear dialogue and decent volume levels, making it perfectly fine for everyday viewing in a small room. However, if you want a richer, more immersive sound experience, pairing the TV with an external soundbar or speaker system is recommended. Connectivity options. This model is well equipped with multiple connectivity options. You get 3 HDMI ports, which is plenty for connecting a game console, Blu-ray player, and a streaming device simultaneously. There's also a USB port for plugging in external drives or accessories. Wi-Fi and Ethernet ports ensure reliable internet connectivity for smooth streaming. Plus, Bluetooth support allows you to connect wireless headphones or speakers without cables getting in the way. Performance in real use. In everyday use, the LG 32LQ63006LA performs impressively well. Whether you're watching TV shows, streaming movies, or playing casual games, the experience feels fluid and enjoyable. The AI-driven processor does a good job at adjusting picture settings automatically, so you rarely need to fiddle manually with contrast or brightness. The remote control is comfortable to hold and responsive, with shortcut buttons to popular apps for quick access. Switching between inputs and apps is fast, which adds to the overall smooth experience. Who is this TV for? This 32-inch LG TV is perfect for people who want a compact yet smart screen for bedrooms, kitchens, or smaller living spaces. It's ideal for those who enjoy streaming services and want a hassle-free smart TV without paying the premium price of larger 4K models. Gamers looking for high refresh rates or specialized gaming features might want to look elsewhere, but for casual gaming and multimedia, this TV does the job well. Pros and cons summary. Pros: sharp and vibrant Full HD display. AA-enhanced picture quality with 5 Gen 5 processor. Easy-to-use WebOS smart platform with popular apps. Voice control with ThinQ AI, Google Assistant, and Alexa support. Solid build and compact design ideal for smaller spaces. Multiple HDMI ports and good connectivity options. Cons: not 4K resolution, which may feel limiting for some. Built-in speakers are average, external sound system recommended for best audio. Viewing angles can cause some color shifts, typical for LED panels. Final verdict. Overall, the LG 32LQ63006LA is a great option for anyone who wants a smart TV with solid Full HD picture quality and modern AI features on a modest budget. It combines a sleek design, intuitive smart interface, and decent audio and connectivity to deliver a satisfying TV experience, especially in smaller rooms. If you're after a no-fuss TV that covers all the essentials with a touch of advanced processing power for better visuals, this LG model is worth considering. It balances performance, usability, and price smartly, making it a reliable choice for everyday entertainment needs.